Hey everyone, my name is Jake, and today we're introducing our premium artificial boxwood mats by NatraHedge. Our boxwood mats are the perfect solution for adding a natural and sustainable touch of greenery to any wall or surface. NatraHedge artificial boxwood is the #1 preferred brand by architects and homeowners alike, due to its simple installation, being maintenance-free, and its industry-leading lifespan. NatraHedge artificial boxwood features real leaf technology, making it the most realistic product on the market. Available in 2 color options, light green in mats or rolls for quicker installation, and treated with UV for outdoor applications. And dark green mats, which are fire rated and UV treated, perfect for any indoor or outdoor commercial project. With its snap to lock feature, our NatraHedge mats or rolls can easily and quickly be combined to cover any size surface. They can also be bent or cut to fit any shape or contour. The boxwood mats measure at a 20-inch by 20-inch and come with 12 mats per box at 33 square feet. For those looking for more coverage per panel, our light green boxwood roll would be a great option for you. Each pre-assembled piece measures 3 feet 4 inches by 10 feet. Our premium artificial boxwood mats are designed at our headquarters in Southern California, and we offer an industry-leading 3-year warranty with a 5 to 8 year life expectancy. Transform any surface into a lush and maintenance-free boxwood hedge in minutes with our easy-to-use, eco-friendly boxwood mats. For more information, please visit us online at www.fencescreen.com or call one of our team members at 888-313-6313.